Hello techies! SMOS sent Tech Valor their latest version of their Dex Station to compare against the new Samsung Dex Pad. We will unbox the devices, compare their functionalities with the S9 Plus, highlight some accessories, and give my final thoughts. Unboxing. Both of the packagings are drastically different when it comes to footprint, but let's see what's inside. The latest SMOS Dex Station's packaging is petite. Inside you'll be greeted with the instruction manual and docking station itself. Pull the bottom housing and you'll find a USB Type-C extender cable and an HDMI cable. Take into consideration that it does not come with a charging system. If you want a dedicated one, you will need to purchase it separately. For the Samsung Dex Pad, begin with removing the 4 pieces of tape located at the bottom of the box. Shake the box up and down to separate the 2 halves. You will be greeted with the Samsung Dex Pad. Underneath the device, you will find the manual, but that's not all. Pull away the black compartment, and there you'll find the fast adaptive charging brick, a USB Type-C cable, and a slim HDMI cord. Functionality. Aside from where the hardwares are located, they have the same ports. 2 USB ports, an HDMI port, and a USB Type-C input for charging. They both dock via USB Type-C plug, but in different ways. The Samsung Dex Pad requires your phone to lay on the housing in order to connect. It is convenient so that you can use the screen as a trackpad, but with the SMOS Dex Station, it is more versatile because of the extender cable it comes with. With the extender cable, you have the freedom to use the screen as a trackpad and access the camera for video conferences. Other things to consider is that they both are capable of fast charging while the phones are docked in, but the SMOS Dex Station can still work without charging. The Samsung Dex Pad can only function with a fast charger. If you try to use it with a less powerful charger, you will get an error. Both devices work with other phones aside from the Samsung line. I tried both the Samsung Dex Pad and the SMOS Dex Station with a Huawei Mate 10. I must admit, I like the Mate 10's desktop mode as a keyboard along with the trackpad. I wish the Samsung software at least let us dictate our words so that we wouldn't need to use a physical keyboard to type. Sadly, you could only use the Samsung keyboard as an on-screen keyboard. Accessories. I'd like to share 2 products that helps me be more productive with the SMOS Dex Station. First is the cell phone stand. It allows me to prop up my phone while I use it for video conferencing. It is made out of plastic and not aluminum, so you don't have to worry about it damaging your phone. The second product is a keyboard with a mouse trackpad by Logitech. I conveniently use this keyboard because it takes up less real estate and it is easy for travel. I'll leave a link below to both of these items. Final thoughts. Both the Samsung Dex Pad and the SMOS Dex Station get the job done. But if I only had to choose one, I'd go with the SMOS Dex Station. In my opinion, the SMOS Dex Station is more versatile, compact, and you can't beat the fact that it is half of the price of the Samsung Dex Pad. I hope you found this video useful. Please like and share this video with others. And while you're here, please subscribe. And as always, stay curious, techies.